Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today we are going to explore another scent which is Christian Dior Purple Oud. So this is the bottle. You can see this is the bottle and this is the juice inside this one. Purple Oud by Christian Dior. Dior, I am not sure how to pronounce this, but this is the bottle. So this is a bit purplish, kind of light purplish pink kind of juice inside it, and I'm going to tell you why this feels so elegant on women's skin. So first off, when we sniff over here, it is going to be the dry down mostly from if you sniff over here. So it is mostly light spicy, if I would say light spicy. Then it has some metallic vibes, sweet, metallic, light spicy, and it has some woodiness maybe in the background, maybe some smokiness, some burnt feeling, but it is very in the background. It is not smoky at all. So yes, there is smoke in the background. Okay, so Purple Oud. They describe that it is oud, but there is nothing in Western oud perfumes. I normally think that most of the perfumes, 95% of them, they don't have any oud. They try to mimic the oudi kind of you can say vibe or maybe some scent profile, but this is very fake. It is nothing related to oud because my wife doesn't like oud oils or pure oud oils I apply on my skin. So if I rate it, it would go more on women's skin, or it is more of a feminine scent than a male scent. It is great for summers. So if you are reluctant to apply it, it is going to smell great in summers. I love it on my wife, and don't over apply it. Maybe you will get a headache because it's sweet and it has some metallic spark, or you can say very kind of vibrating, kind of sharp. So if I describe it, it is sharp in nature. It is a bit sharp perfume which has some metallic vibe, some spiciness. It says warm spicy, but I don't think it is warm spicy, although you can use it in winters and summers too, but I normally enjoy it in summers. So you can see I bought it like this. I haven't used it much. Maybe my wife has used it like 3 or 4 times, and I really enjoy on her skin. I don't try to apply it on mine. Maybe sometimes in the summer, in the heat, I might spray 1 or 2 sprays for this one. So this is my review about Purple Oud from Christian Dior. If I don't recommend that you get this big bottle. If there is a smaller bottle like 30 ml, I think that would be more than enough. For women, I really recommend this perfume for summers or even for winters. It is very nice perfume, but don't try to over apply it because it is like a needle. So it is going to be a needle in your head or someone else's head if you try to over apply it. So this is my review about Purple Oud from Christian Dior. I hope you have enjoyed this review. Till then, take care, bye bye, and make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you soon in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye.